Hi everyone, today we will teach you how to upgrade the car center console, which is the Ford Fiesta. Firstly, remove the protective cover at the top. Secondly, unscrew the two screws that secure the CD button panel, and then remove the panel. Thirdly, unscrew the two screws that secure the original car's main unit and remove the original car's CD host. Finally, we removed its original car screen. Okay, now we will remove the two air vents and install them onto our new car radio. Now start connecting the cables. This is the network antenna. This is a GPS antenna. This is a video input cable. This is a USB transmission cable. This is RCA audio cable. This is a radio antenna. Now we are connecting the Canbus box. Then connect the communication serial port. Finally, connect the screen power plug. Now connect the original car plug. Then install the new top cover plate. Finally, install the new car radio. Because this car comes with a Canbus, we need to set it to the correct model for the first use. After the setup is completed, it will support some of the original car's functions. Support door reminder. Of course, it also has many other rich features. Support local or online music. During breaks, you can watch high-definition movies. Support automatic radio station search. Support GPS map navigation. Supports Bluetooth phone and Bluetooth music. Support wireless CarPlay, Android Auto. Okay, that's all for this video. Thank you for watching.